You say you want to meet someone, but there's just no time. Your schedule is packed. Your messages go unanswered. Dates? Maybe. Next month. So how do you find love when life just won't slow down? Follow these steps to make dating doable without blowing up your schedule. 1. Get real with your priorities. Let's be honest. You want connection. Real, lasting connection. But between work, friends, responsibilities, and let's not forget sleep, dating feels like another thing on your to-do list. You ghost without meaning to. You cancel dates before they begin. You're left wondering if finding love even fits into your life anymore. Here's the truth. Dating takes time. And if you're not giving it time, it's like saying you want a summer body while ordering takeout every night. If finding and being with someone matters to you, you have to make time for it. If it matters, make time. So ask yourself this: is finding someone actually my top goal right now? If the answer is yes, then it's time to make space for it, on your calendar and in your mind. 2. Go for win-wins. Do something you enjoy which at the same time also gives you the opportunity to meet people. Swap the solo workout for a group class. Trade Netflix for a language meetup. Choose a social bar or a community event over a quiet hangout. Learning something new? Try it in person. Connection thrives where people gather. You don't need more hours, just better use of them. 3. Set aside just 20 minutes a day. Not to scroll, but to engage. Allocate 20 minutes daily to build connection and momentum. Don't let matches fizzle because you're too busy. Message back. Start a conversation. Show interest. Block out 20 minutes each day, like you would for a workout or coffee run, to genuinely reply to messages and engage in real conversations. You'll be amazed how much closer you feel to someone when the momentum doesn't stall. Because one message a week? That's how sparks die. Avoid. Avoid going on rush dates. If your head is still at work, on your next meeting, on a deadline, or 50% elsewhere, your date will feel it. You're not giving someone your real attention and your real self. Be present. Be relaxed. That's where real sparks happen. And please, stop canceling last minute. That's not who you are, or want to be. Instead, start becoming the person you'd want to date. Here's how to step up. Be smart with your time. Not sure about someone? Do a video call first. Before investing an hour or more in person, invest 5 minutes to see if there's a vibe. And if life really is too chaotic right now, if dating feels too impossible, maybe it's not about dating. It may be time for a lifestyle change. That job, that schedule, that endless list. Something might need to shift. It's maybe about building a life that has room for the things you say matter. That could mean shifting careers, finding better childcare, or finally wrapping up that degree. Because the love you want? It starts with space, and it deserves your complete attention. Say something like this: dating is important to me right now, so I'm going to make time for it. I'm choosing dates I can show up for. I'm choosing dates that actually work for my life. I'm looking for ways to meet people while still living my life. So what's next? Start small. Save 20 minutes a day for real connection. Get better at keeping your promises, to yourself and to others. Get intentional. This isn't just about meeting someone. It's about showing up for the life you say you want. Love doesn't happen when you have time. It happens because you made time. Make time. Meet love. Want more practical tips on love and life? Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Tune in for more real talk on love, relationships, and self-growth. Please help us by leaving your comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more.